In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write clear AI build requests for software projects. If you want better results from an AI builder or a developer, the key is to make your request clear, grounded, and actionable. We'll do that by being specific, giving examples, defining limitations, and asking for a plan before any code is written. Start by being specific. Instead of saying build an app, say exactly what you want. For example, build a SaaS app for managing tasks using Next.js and Tailwind with a dark theme. That one sentence sets the platform, the tech stack, the purpose, and even the visual direction. Specificity reduces guesswork and speeds up alignment. Include core features you consider essential, like user authentication, team workspaces, and recurring tasks. If you already know the deployment target or database, include those too. The more concrete the goal, the smoother the build. Next, give examples. Examples act like spotlights that show the outcome you have in mind. You might say, users can upload images to generate color palettes, or when a task is added, the team receives a real-time notification. Examples can be tiny user stories, sample inputs and outputs, or brief interface descriptions. They help the AI or developer understand edge cases and craft sensible defaults. If you have a reference app or a behavior you love, describe what works about it and why. Then define limitations. Constraints shape the solution and prevent overbuilding. Clarify your subscription model or free tier. For instance, offer a free tier with 3 projects and a paid tier with unlimited projects and priority support. Note any usage caps, storage limits, or feature gates tied to plan levels. If your initial scope is intentionally small, say so and call out what should be postponed. Guardrails like these keep costs predictable and features focused. Finally, ask for a plan. Before any coding, instruct the AI to produce a design plan or ask clarifying questions. Request a brief architecture outline, a feature list mapped to your tiers, a data model sketch, and a step-by-step implementation sequence. Encourage it to highlight assumptions and open questions such as authentication method, file size limits for uploads, or how color palettes should be stored and shared. This planning path surfaces gaps early and ensures the first version matches your intent. Put it all together and your request becomes precise, illustrated, scoped, and strategically organized. That's how you get reliable, repeatable results from an AI builder and a product that fits your vision from the start.